is the most distracting thing ever. Oh my god. I'm not that ticklish either, and it's literally making me squirm. Hi everyone, I'm Shivali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If, like me, you're in the UK, it's likely you're getting pretty sick of this lockdown now. I think we're in our 4th week, so yeah, safe to say that the novelty factor has well and truly worn off. So to raise your spirits and give you a bit of a laugh, I thought I would film something a little bit different this week. So today I'm going to be testing out some vibrating yoga leggings. Yeah, vibrating yoga leggings, you heard that right. So I've had these in my wardrobe for months now, I would say, and haven't quite had the courage to try them on. But I thought, if you can't try vibrating yoga leggings in the 4th week of a coronavirus lockdown, then when can ya? So yeah, that's what I'm going to be trying out today. They're by a brand called Nadi X. And when I first heard about them, I thought, what is the point of vibrating yoga leggings? But the idea is actually pretty sound. So it's for people who are practicing yoga at home. You don't have an instructor in front of you to tell you if you're not quite in the right position, if your posture is not quite right. So instead, the leggings will vibrate to try and push your legs and body into the right position and make sure you're doing all of your flow properly. So these are the leggings here. As you can see, they just look like any other gym leggings, just kind of plain black. They're a really nice material, really thick. One thing I will say is they look a little bit small. I'm a UK size 10 and these are a medium, so I thought that would be quite a safe size, but yeah, I'm just hoping they're pretty stretchy. Yeah, so as I said, they just look like normal yoga leggings, but hidden within them are several sensors. So there are sensors at the hip, the knee, and the ankle, and these all vibrate while you're trying to do yoga to try and push you into the right position. So the way they work is they have a little button thing like this, which clips into the back of the knee of one of the legs of the leggings. And this has got Bluetooth capabilities. So if I double tap it, you can see a little light comes on. And this syncs up via Bluetooth to the Nadi X app, which I have downloaded here. So as you can see, it prompts me to sync up with here. And then when you're trying to do your yoga positions and stuff, it can exactly work out where you are in space, if your legs are in the right positions, and try and guide you with the vibrations. I know that sounds a little bit complicated, but hopefully when we try them on, you'll see the idea behind it. I think it's pretty important to note the price of these leggings. They are $249 US, which in the UK is about £199. So that is not by any stretch of the imagination. If you think your standard kind of Sweaty Betty or Lululemon leggings are maybe 50, 60 quid, it's significantly more. So yeah, I'm expecting great things. I have zero yoga experience. I struggle to touch my toes. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting to say the least. But yeah, let's get them on and see how they work. So as you can see, I've got the leggings on now. Thankfully, they were actually stretchier than I first thought, and they actually fit quite nicely. My hair's gone up, yoga mat is out, and it's time to do some vibrating yoga. So I've got my phone here, and I've now synced up the leggings. That little pulse thing I showed you earlier connects at the back of the left knee, and actually you can't feel it at all. I don't think it would really get in the way while you're doing any yoga. So the app now gives me a list of different positions, ranging from beginner through to advanced. As I said earlier, I have no experience in yoga, I can't touch my toes. So I'm going to start with some beginner ones, see how they go, and then make a fool of myself by trying some more advanced ones. So let's have a go at Warrior Right Beginner. So the app has like a picture of a woman showing you kind of what to do. Oh my gosh, my ankle's vibrating. That is the weirdest sensation. So the app is telling me to put my right leg forward, and at the same time, the sensors on my ankle and my right knee are vibrating. Okay, it's now telling me to put my left leg further back, and the way it's telling me that is vibrating on my left leg. I wish you could feel this. There was some kind of sense vision. So obviously I'm not in the right position because it's still vibrating. This is the weirdest sensation. Oh my god, the ones in my hips. The ones in my hips are going. So yeah, the pose is to put your left leg forward and bend, left one back and hands up. So I'm gonna put my phone down. I'm no longer vibrating. Guys, have I nailed yoga? I'm not vibrating. Oh my god, I've done it, guys. Just call me a yoga master. Okay, that is the strangest sensation. They're much stronger than I imagined. It's almost like, you know, if your phone's vibrating, it's a pretty strong vibration. It's like someone holding that on your ankle or your hip while you're trying to do yoga. They're still going now, guys. I finished the pose. Chill out. Let's try another one. Let's go for an intermediate now. Now that I've nailed the beginner's pose, let's try it. Okay, let's go for tree pose left. Okay, so it's telling me to stand with my hands like this. Nothing's happening yet. I'm not being vibrated out yet. Okay. Okay, my hips are now vibrating. I'm not sure what that means. Should I? This is the most distracting thing ever. Oh my god. I'm not that ticklish either, and it's literally making me squirm. Okay, so it's telling me to put my right foot in like this. Oh my god, I've got no balance. I don't know why my hips are vibrating for that. Okay, my ankle's now vibrating. Clearly that's not high enough. And hands in the air. Okay, I'm not vibrating. Does that mean I've done it? Guys, do I look like a tree? This is the weirdest sensation. The whole point of yoga, I thought, was to like achieve your inner zen and switch off. That is so hard when you've got what feels like someone's phone vibrating on your back. Let's go on and try an advanced one. I'm not gonna be able to do it, but let's give it a go. Let's try the plow. Okay, no, that one looks way too hard for me. The crow sounds good. No, that's some kind of headstand. I'm not doing that. I'll be vibrating left, right and center. Okay, I'm gonna go for a side plank. I can do that, I think. Okay, so it's telling me to get down into a plank position. Nothing's vibrating yet, so I can't be doing too badly. Okay, no way, I spoke too soon. Oh my god, my hips. Does that mean, the thing is, I don't know if that means my hips are too high or too low. Okay, they're still vibrating, so clearly something's wrong. Okay, now I have to go on my side. Okay, now my ankle's vibrating. What does that mean though? Are my ankles in the wrong position? Are my arms up now? I mean, nothing's vibrating now. Does that mean I've done it? Okay, wait, both my ankles vibrating. The thing is, it's not clear why they're vibrating. Are they vibrating because they're not high enough, or like because they're too low? It's not the clearest way to indicate. I feel like having some kind of someone's voice telling you would actually be easier. I think that's probably a little bit enough yoga for me today. As you can tell, I'm not very good at it. But yeah, I'm gonna take these off and have a chat with you about what I think and whether they're worth £200. So my workout is now complete. Although, I mean, I only did 3 poses. Wouldn't exactly say it was the most strenuous workout. But yeah, I think that was enough to kind of see the leggings in practice and understand the concept in practice. I can't say that they're for me. The vibrations were really confusing. It's not like it's vibrating on the front of your ankle to tell it to move forwards and then on the back to tell it to move back. It's just a single vibration. So I found it rather confusing trying to work out how I was in the wrong pose and how I was meant to adjust to make it right. I really do think having some kind of audio sync up with someone's voice telling you which way to move would actually be a lot more easy to understand than just trying to interpret a rogue vibration on your hip. I said it earlier, but I think the vibrations are really distracting. The point of yoga is being able to switch off, go into this meditative state, and you've got vibrations up and down your legs. It's really hard to achieve that. And also that price is pretty crazy. £199 for some leggings is a lot to spend. And I think maybe the whole idea is lost on me because I'm not a yoga person. But yeah, if you're really, really into yoga and you really want to finesse certain moves and you already have a great grounding, maybe they'd be better for you, as you already know kind of what the positions should look like. But yeah, if you don't know much about yoga, I don't think you should splash out that huge amount of money on the leggings. I know it's a little bit hard to show you the vibrations, so I hope you kind of got an understanding of what I was trying to explain. Please let me know if you would buy vibrating yoga leggings, or if you think you've got a better idea of how to instruct someone on yoga via leggings. And I hope that was a fun video for you guys to watch. I'm trying to upload once a week. This is only my second video, so I'm still very much a beginner, but yeah, I'm really enjoying it. So if you have any ideas, then please do leave me a comment. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.